everything is try to relax. Okay, let me. Lift this leg up as much as you can. Okay?
Okay.
This side first. Go.
Okay.
Okay, and the other side? Alright. Which side easier do you feel?
The left side.
This side easier, huh?
Yeah.
It goes out higher, yeah. So I'm going to use the drop table first, okay?
Okay.
So I'm going to close this joint here, okay? Just like that.
Oh.
Any pain with it?
No.
No? Alright, I'm going to do one more. Good. Alright, now you're going to put this over this legs.
Okay.
Just like that. I'm going to press down again. Boom.
Oh.
Another. Boom.
Oh.
One more. Boom. Okay. Okay, we're going to switch over here. Yeah. Good. There you go. Boom. Boom. Alright. Let's make it straight. Now I'm gonna here. There you go. There you go. Ooh, slightly chin up. Okay. Bend down there. Try to relax your chest and back here, okay? Everything's relaxed, okay? Good. Let's take a deep breath in. And breathe out all there. Nice and relaxed. Good. Okay, try to relax your shoulder and chest. There you go. Let's take a deep breath in again. And breathe out. Nice and relaxed. All there.
Oh.
That's it. Ooh. Did you hear that? Noah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Try to relax a little more. Nice and relax. Good. That's it. Wow. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
How you feel? That
Good.
was good, yeah?
I need a nap.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Like this. Ooh, very stiff here. This one kind of stuck in there. Also here. So I'm gonna turn head. Okay, everything is try to relax. Okay, let me.
Oh.
Wow.
Wow.
How you feel?
Amazing.
Noah, did you hear that?
Wow.
That was loud, Noah.
Woo. That felt so good.
Yeah. Alright, contact right here. So just relax on my hand. Try to relax everything.
Oh.
That's it. Okay, that was good too. Alright, straight like your finger. Okay, I'm gonna try to relax on my back.
Okay.
Good. Just relax here. That's it.
Wow.
Wow.
That was amazing.
Alright, try to relax and take a deep breath in and breathe out. Nice. Good. One more time. Nice. Good.
Oh my goodness.
Wow. I felt on my hands too.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Wow. Thank you so much.
What did you feel like?
I felt like a pull. Like
Mhm.
something pulled my spine. Like
Did you hear any cracks in the back?
I did.
You did?
Yeah.
Wow.
Especially the one on the neck.
Nice. Alright. Good. Okay. You can have a sip.
Oh, thank you. Oh,
That was fun.
that was awesome. Thank you.